Tesla fam, let's get straight to it. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly charge your Tesla at home. Quick and easy, guys, okay? So step number one, guys, you want to plug in the charger, okay? First thing, you grab your Tesla wall connector or mobile connector and plug it into a standard wall outlet or a dedicated charging outlet, okay? So if you're using a wall connector, it's much faster and designed for home charging. And step two, guys, basically you just want to connect your Tesla. Simply take the charging connector and you just want to plug it in, guys. You want to plug it into your Tesla's charging port. And the port will automatically open when you press the button on the connector, okay, guys? Now, once it's plugged in, okay, the charging ring around the port will turn green, guys, okay? Which means that the charging is in progress. You can check the current charging status on your touchscreen or Tesla mobile app. Now, guys, for the best home charging experience, I want you to set your charging preferences, okay? On your touchscreen, go to charging, okay? Go to charging and then adjust your charging limit and schedule charging to take advantage of off-peak electricity rates, okay? Now, last step, what I want you to do is when the charging is done, just press the button on the connector again to release it, and you're good to go, guys. And that's it. So go ahead and hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further.